Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is the second update of the series My Pattaya Bar, which is actually David's Pattaya Bar, not mine. And he's a young American guy from Chicago. I showed you in the two previous videos first was a chat to David about what he wanted to do in the bar, which was an old restaurant before. And then we've done an update showing the work being completed day by day by day. Now we're doing the same thing again. We're going to complete the whole thing now, and you will actually see the bar finished at the end of the video. So we'll just go through the process of the work. You watch the workmen, you can see everything that they do. One thing which I did notice is that these workmen, I spoke to the boss about it, they don't buy anything ready-made. They make everything themselves. I'm assuming that's the way shop fishing is done. It's probably by far the cheapest way, I would think. So, I mean, this guy here was just made a frame. Now, in a later video, you'll see that becomes a tabletop. And all this steel work that you see, it becomes framework for bars and benches and tables and stuff like that. It's really quite interesting to see how they put it all together. So we've got each day as we go along, and there's a couple of bits of music in here where the guys are playing music, but I had to turn the sound down a little bit. Here he's put two concrete slabs there, which I wasn't sure what they were for, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to chat to David about it in the next video. So after this one's finished, a couple of days later, I shall release a further video, the final one, where I actually talk to David through the entire process and what he thinks and what his ideas are and everything when it's finished. You see to the left those little triangle things, and that's just a support for a shelf which will end up down the bottom near the bar. So all of this, everything is made. They buy the steel, they do all the welding, they weld everything together. That framework on the right, they've made all that completely out of just lengths of steel. And the bar, they've made everything. They buy the wood, they buy the steel, they make the entire thing from scratch. So that's probably why they can make a living out of it at not too expensive a price. So this is the bar. On the right, there's going to be some shelving going up there. And you'll see it all later on. You'll see it bit by bit. And I put some links up at the top for the two previous videos. So if you want to have a look at them, if you haven't seen them, and you don't know what this is about, you can look through the whole series. There'll be about 4 or 5 in total. So this is number 3. Those tall tables to the left there, and the ones to the right, they look like you could knock them over very easily, but they're actually bolted to the ground, so they don't move at all. And there we are, we're cutting the wood. They've got their own little circular saw, haven't they, like a cutting table.
What's wrong, crap? Good? Pretty good. Good. Yeah. One more week? 1 week. One week? Yeah.
Oh, by the way, the other thing which you have asked about after the last video, because I made the discovery that David had become a daddy at the end of the last video, and you're all saying, "Oh, what happened? What happened?" Well, he had a daughter. Is what happened. He had a daughter. And they're all very healthy. You know, the mother and the daughter, everything is absolutely fine. So as you can see, it's progressing very well. on the right there, they've covered that steel framework with wood, but apparently they don't do upholstery, so there will have to be another upholstery company or guy comes in to upholster that bench on the right. But obviously everything else, pretty much everything else they do. I mean, they do the plumbing, they do the electrics, do all of the structural work. With regard to the frameworks and the tables and they don't do chairs, so they have been bought in, and they will arrive next week. The bar stools and the chairs, but everything else they make, as you can see. See that shelving on the right going up? It's not long now, maybe, I don't know, I think it'll be a few more days and it'll be finished. But we're going to run right to the end. You'll see it finished at the end of this video. They haven't done the swings yet, the swing chairs. So that's one of the next jobs. You'll see that, I think, on the next video. We'll have a look. Not the next video, sorry, the next section of this video. So what have we got there? Swing chairs. Looks good. It looks very different. I think they look strong enough. What do you think? Steel and chain and everything. It should, and new wood. It should hold. That should be able to take at least a 100-kilo guy, at least, or a couple of 100-kilo guys. So it's getting there. I think they're concentrating at the back now, really. Now they've done the swing chairs, because they need to finish the bar. And there's the shelving, and there's lighting on the shelving. Underneath the shelves is lighting as well, which they told me about. They've got to do all that yet. So what do you guys think? Yeah, make some comments. See what you've got to say about it. It's interesting, isn't it, to watch it all progress from the very beginning. And the very first video was on the 5th of November. And it's taken 1 month, because tomorrow I shall publish this video, which will be the 4th of December. So that's 1 month, isn't it? And we'll then have another video after that, which is a proper chat to David. Imagine sitting there with your beer and on the swing watching the talent walk by. Yeah, you could imagine doing that. So now this is the 2nd of December. That's yesterday for me at the moment. So we'll have a look and see what it's like. Hi. Oh, you clean it. All clean now. Can you bird fly? Yeah. Okay. Oh, it looks. Wow. Very good.
หลายอย่างอยู่พอเจอ
So, what do you think? Looks good, doesn't it? It looks very good. I think the mirrors were a great idea. So, as I say, the upholstery needs to be done there on the right. Good, very good. There's no light down here, by the way, so I had to try to lighten it, but there was virtually no light. So you just have to, in the next video it's all lit, so you'll see it properly. Just have a look at this, let's give this a go, let's see if this works, shall we? You know what I'm talking about? That.
It worked.
Yeah. I wonder how many newbies will be pulling that.
Very good. Very good. You finished now? You finished now? Today finished. Okay, I telephoned David. I want to talk. Very good.
And we'll do the interview in the next video with David in the actual bar when it's finished in a few days. So please, guys, if you enjoyed the video of the series, please subscribe, like, share, ring the bell, and look at the previous videos and the links above. And thank you very much for watching.